APA Insurance is one of the leading insurance companies in East Africa. With operations in Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania, the company has many touch points with the society where we operate. Our mission of putting smiles on the faces of our stakeholders extends to the community as well. We do this through key CSR initiatives with focus areas on provision of sustainable and reliable supply of clean water, education, empowering the youth through entrepreneurship and sports, environmental conservation.
At APA, we take CSR very seriously. Our board of directors have invested a lot of money into our CSR project, and we are very proud of the projects that we've undertaken. We focus on these areas because they are projects that we can make sustainable, hence they have a long impact on the communities, and we believe that through sustainable projects we make a difference in the community.
Amini Poa Maji Maisha is a trust set up by APA and other companies in the Apollo Group to provide water to communities that have no permanent water supply. The company is working on the premises of enhancing water security for all in the society, increasing accessibility to clean drinking water and reducing commuting distance to fetch water for women and the girl child.
Water is life. The project started a few years ago when there was a famine in Ukambani region and there was no water and there was no food. This was in 2007 when our staff then decided that they wanted to collect money and take food to them. The company supported them at that time by providing 2 times what they had collected. However, when we really thought about it and we said, how do we alleviate this situation? Because the food will only last for two weeks at the most. So we thought about it and we said that why don't we see how we can provide water to them all the time.
To achieve this, APA has partnered with Utoni Development, an NGO specializing in the construction of sand dams. Utoni Development has built over 1,000 dams across the country in the last 10 years. They provide the technical expertise as well as mobilize communities in need to come together and form self-help groups that can benefit from donors such as us.
Sand dams is an effective way and a cost-effective way of harvesting water. You need minimum resources to do this project, and the benefits are very much compared to other water harvesting techniques. The maintenance is very low, and also it has a very positive impact to the environment. It helps to replenish the lost flora and fauna, and it also helps the community to acquire water much nearer to them for irrigation purposes and also for domestic purposes.
The concept is unique as the dam is constructed in one day. Utoni mobilizes several help groups working with them to come and assist the community that is currently building. APA staff and clients are also invited to join them in the actual building of the dam.
It's more like a festival. Everybody is helping out. There are other people cooking. We come and mix cement. We gather stones. We put the stones in. We break the stones, and also we make sure that we are able to provide labor to help the community.
The benefits of sand dams are enormous. Availability of clean drinking water is the most outstanding. Other benefits include water for animals, irrigation of crops for both domestic use and commercial purposes. The environment is also improved as the community must plant trees, especially fruit trees, along the riverbed. This changes the flora and fauna of the entire area.
For us as a company, the benefits are many. The benefit is that, first thing is that the building of the sand dam becomes a team building event for our staff. It is an extra addition to our CSR because every staff is required to have 24 hours of CSR activity in a year. The total amount we have invested in this project, this CSR project up till now, is around about 20 million shillings. But what we intend to do is we intend to make sure that every year we will be able to build minimum of 3 and maximum of 6 sand dams a year. Some of these sand dams will be financed by APA and Apollo, but there will be others where we will be asking our well-wishers and friends to contribute.
Bewa damu ino etinamba kwa ithina mwingi muno wa kiwu nundu twauma musi ta kilomita 10 na alame bakubangi kilomita 5 makoka kumanda kiwu na moka mekala masaa maingi matiso kwata kiwu na kuete kukwatethia mawiyala ma nyumba ma kuua ma kuvua na ciana ithambe ciende skulu na undu yu andu maima ukethia thana andu meothi mondani meisothi kuchepio nundu wa kwithia maendie kutapa kiwe kwacha na maine sakuka ni maseleiwe muno kwa kwa ikuthina kwa ikumu ukitha kutingwa kiwu na mundu atisa kukwata kiwu na ambie mawiya ma nyumba ni waselewa muno.
Apart from dam building, APA also focuses on empowerment of youth through education, entrepreneurship and sports. Our main involvement on this is through RISA.
One of the projects that we have as part of APA CSR is youth and entrepreneurship, and we do this through RISA, which stands for Runda Youth Sports Association. We started this project with RISA 10 years ago when APA was formed. Just a brief background on who RISA are. These are youth who are derived from two informal settlements of Githogoro and Huruma from the suburb areas of Runda. They come from very poor families and they have come together to make a better life for themselves.
Every year through this association, the group supports the best boy and girl from Cheleta Primary School through the APA Bursary Fund. Since the company started supporting the school, its performance has also improved, with the average score rising to above 50%. The school was awarded the most improved City Council school in Westlands constituency.
Proud to say that we currently have over 10 students who are in the bursary program. 8 of them being in high school and the rest have been in various campuses like Kenya College of Accountancy and Nairobi University.
Environmental degradation, characterized by surges in climate change and human invasion of the ecosystem, proves to be the driving post in implementing solutions that will pave way for mitigating environmental risks. Our commitment to protecting and conserving the environment is core to our business. We partnered with Egerton University, where we were one of the main sponsors of the Run for Mau initiative started this year. Mau Forest is the largest indigenous mountain forest in East Africa and consequently the largest water catchment area in Kenya. However, decades of environmental degradation of natural vegetation in Mau complex has led to decline in water quality and quantity, hence compromising local economies and livelihoods. To meet these challenges head-on, Egerton University planned a major cross-country. The event, whose theme was Run for the Mau, whose objectives was to create environmental awareness and raise funds for the rehabilitation of the Mau ecosystem and Joro River. APA ran an exciting social media campaign championing people to join us in saving the Mau.
Egerton has been our CSR project for the last 5 years. We partner with them on various projects. We have a Gongari farm where we plant over 2,000 tree seedlings every year, and that project has been going on over the last 5 years. Today's event is a major event to make sure the Joro River gets rehabilitated and people get clean water.
Our staff members, clients and well-wishers also participated in the exercise. It was a day filled with fun as well as fulfillment that we have done our part for the environment. Run for the Mau will be held annually as per Athletics Kenya calendar, and APA will be a constant partner in this initiative. Over and above the core CSR initiatives of the company, APA Insurance through its staff members get involved in projects dear to them through the departmental CSR activities.
After the split of the budget, each department was given a certain amount of money where they would choose a project that they would be able to sponsor. We made sure that these projects were sustainable and long-term. The departmental CSR has helped the staff members interact with various people in the communities. They have sponsored children's home, they've sponsored schools, and they've also put in some effort in bettering the environment through tree planting and cleanups.
Wherever we do business, our priority is to contribute positively to the communities that we serve.